Hey guys, Chandler Travels here, currently in Fresno, California, and I had the luxury of staying with one of my wonderful friends, Stephanie, and she provided her kitchen to me today to actually make a few things for us to eat throughout the day. And we're gonna start off with these Ghirardelli walnut turtles. So we're gonna walk it through you. I'm a little tall, so you can't see the whole table. So we're gonna change the angle, but let's get cooking with me while we're here in Fresno, California. All right, guys, so let's get started. First, we're gonna add the mix. This is a really simple recipe, guys, so it's not hard to follow. Let me grab some scissors. Boom. Chop this open. Get this in here. There we go. It says next, actually we have the mix. We have the preheat the oven, which we did. Place all the water. So we'll do the 1/4 cup of water. Bam. Get that up. And then we'll do 1/4 cup. It said to add some vegetable oil, but we're healthy over here. We're gonna do some virgin olive oil. A little bit better, a little healthy, you know. Even though we're doing dessert, we wanna keep it healthy. Call for us. We're gonna mix that in here as well. Do we have a whisker by chance?
Behind you.
Perfect. So we got that. And lastly, the last thing we gotta add is 1 egg. You know. Let's see, anything else? Yes. And we're gonna get started. That's it. Let's get this cracked open. Boom. That was a perfect crack. Boom. Thank you. We're gonna whisk this up. Get that arm. Nothing wrong with a little bit of elbow grease, guys. You gotta get in there. You know what I mean? Burn some calories before you eat all these brownies. That's looking good already. Okay. We can't forget, they gave us a bag of mix to add to the topping. So we're gonna add that as well at the end. And we're gonna get this started. So we're gonna pour this into a bowl, but stay with this shortly. Let's get it. Whip it, whip it, whip it. Good. I'm in that kitchen, water whipping. You know what I'm saying? You never say that. You can never say I don't put that work in. It's gonna be the best brownies of all time. Okay. I'm not even working the sweat, but we're getting it good. And that's how you whip those brownies, baby. So guys, we just finished whipping up some brownies, and now I can finally speak again. And now we're gonna spray it. We got that coconut oil, you know, from TJ. No sponsorship, but hey, check out the TJ. You know what I mean? They all sprayed it in here. Boom. And we gotta whip this pretty good. Oops. Okay.
Show it to them before you pour it.
You gotta show it. Steph said show it. So we gonna show it. You know what I'm saying? No cap. This is real life right here. We really do this. And we gonna, it's just thick. That's how I like my brownies, thick. This is really thick. I probably, yeah, cause you gotta get that in there. You know what I mean? Ooh. Extra hand would have been helpful. I could have been like having one arm hold this one up. But God only given 2 arms. Boom. And we gonna get the whole edge because it's a whole bunch right there. That's how thick it is. See how thick that is? Oh, I'm making a little mess. Well, you ain't in the kitchen if you ain't getting down and dirty. You feel me? That's what we doing. We gonna spread this out. We want it to be level. I'm gonna show you how to final product shortly, and we're gonna clean this out. Oh, there we go. Boom. All right, guys. So the last step is the caramel drizzle. Look at that caramel. Look at that. I should have been an artist too. Look at this. Get that around there. Oh, I'm gonna do a little design. Call me the Brownie Picasso. I'm making art today. It's a lot of it too. It's thick. I'm gonna show you our final product shortly, so you get a first-hand look. Instead, did you want to add any nuts or anything to the top? Huh? Okay, perfect. So that's the end of it right there, guys. Now, as you see, voila. All right, guys, so we here. We got the brownie ready to throw in the ovens. The oven's been preheated at 325. We're gonna throw it in for a little while, and we're gonna be back with the final results and a taste test from our hostess with the mostest, Stephanie. All right, guys, see you soon. So here we have the brownie ready. It's cooled down. Let's taste it. Let's get it. All right, so we're gonna do the taste test. Steph, what you think?
Hold on now. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. Let's see.
It's good.
Good? Yeah, we got one of the edge piece, so the edge piece is a little bit drier than the rest, but overall,
I think it has like what is it? Caramel.
Caramel. No caramel in it. And the nuts, the walnuts.
The nuts is good.
So
It's good.
All right, what do you rate it out of 10?
8.
8? Okay.
I'm gonna say 8.
I'll give it like a 6 to 7. A little dry.
I'm gonna say 8 because it is thin.
It's thin. It'll be a small bit, but it's okay.
Also eat it.
Yeah. Cheers.